Good everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to do single and multi-level sorting in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now let us get started. As you can see currently in my Google Sheets file, I have here numerical data with formatting, currency formatting, and I also used absolute and relative referencing here, in which we already made a tutorial on how to do it. So you might want to check out the dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel. But in this tutorial, we're going to be focusing on sorting here in Google Sheets, and it's actually quite simple. Now, what sorting will do is to sort all of the data that's inserted right here in alphabetical format. Now you can either choose it to be from A to Z or Z to A and vice versa. Now this can be useful especially if you are creating a master list, if you are creating a grading sheet, and more. Now for this tutorial, as you can see right here, I have from cell A22 to 28, we have a set of letters from A to G, and this will be our sample for the sorting that we will do. Now in order for us to sort this, all we have to do is to highlight this one or the cells that we would like to do a sorting to, and then on the upper panel on our screen we can see the different tabs under the file name. We can see 9 tabs that we can choose from, and from here we want to focus on the fourth option from the right, which is called data. Click on the data, and as you can see it will drop down tons of options to choose from. Now for the sorting, we can sort the whole sheet or we can sort arrange. Now for this tutorial, let's focus on the range one. Hover your mouse to the range, and as you can see it will drop down 3 different options. We got advanced and these 2 options. Now let's focus on this 2. Now this one, what this will do is to arrange your column from A to Z and this one from Z to A. Now as you can see currently our column is arranged from A to Z as it is in ascending order. Now if we would like to change it from Z to A, I would just click this one, and as you can see it has now reversed the order of the letters. You can also turn it back from A to Z like so, and as you can see we have now changed the formatting of our data from A to Z using the sorting feature in Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and from here I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.